Welcome back to YZchoice, where we don't just talk about growth, we live it. I'm your host, Xavier Wooten, and today's episode is for anyone who's ever been told that having faith means being soft, passive, or weak. Let me clear it up for you now. Faith don't mean fragile. Let's get into it. What faith looks like. Too many people think faith is about staying quiet, waiting, or hoping things magically change. But real faith moves. Real faith builds. Real faith grinds. It doesn't sit back. It steps forward, even when the road ahead looks impossible. Hebrews 11:1 says, faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. That means faith shows up in your actions long before the breakthrough shows up in your life. It's faith in business, family, and the grind. I've had to activate faith in every area of my life. In business, stepping into the unknown, chasing commissions with no guarantee, believing God will supply even if I show up without knowing what the next moment may be, but just showing up in excellence. In my family, being a husband, a father, a leader at home when the world outside is chaotic. In myself, when doubt creeps in, when failure whispers, you're not built for this. Let me be real. There were days I questioned the whole thing. But faith isn't about feeling strong. It's about choosing to stand anyway. So the wise principle of the day. Faith without work isn't just dead, it's disrespectful. You can't say you trust God and then sleep on the gifts He gave you. You can't pray for abundance and then avoid the grind. Faith is the engine, work is the wheels, and grind is the gas. So let's get into this mindset shift. Here's what changed for me. I stopped asking, why is this happening to me? And start declaring, what is God developing in me? That's when everything shifted. Faith became fuel. So if you're in a season where it feels hard, good. God trains His soldiers in the fire. And fragile doesn't last long in the furnace. So let me call you to action. If this spoke to your spirit today, I want you to screenshot this episode and tag me YZchoice, YZchoice. Text someone this quote, faith don't mean fragile. Let them know they're built for this. And remember, you weren't made to fold. You were made to stand, grind, and grow. This is YZchoice. Growth, faith, and grind.